Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sine C cosine D equals to 1 over 2. And we will use about sine of C plus D plus sine of C minus D. So capital C that's about AS, capital D that's about BS. So we can apply the formula in here. So I will put this one to change this one. Now I change this one into AS. This one I will change into BS. Next, I will put 1 over 2 go outside. So we have S and S. We can do about factorization. So we have A plus B. About this one, we can do the same. That's about A minus B. And now we have the final answer. The integration of sine of S with A plus B, we will have about 1 over A plus B. And then we have negative cosine of S and A plus B in here. And the second one, that's about 1 over A minus B. And then we have negative cosine of A minus B. And then that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.